The one-shot video is an opportunity for everyone across the world to see the magic that's the North Carolina Museum of Natural Sciences in Raleigh.
The route that we planned was very challenging. We picked some really tight turns, flying through, the skeleton of a whale. It's really incredible. It's really amazing to watch.
As we fly through the museum, I want each one of those exhibits to come alive and just tell its story to you as you go by.
You'll see our permanent exhibits. You may see a special exhibit. You'll see animals. You'll see researchers in their labs.
So as we pass certain exhibits, we want to let the viewer kind of immerse themselves in. So when we pass a dinosaur, we definitely want a dinosaur sound.
So we had to figure out a way to get the pilot in the middle of the shoot while he's still driving, while he's got this, his hands on the controller and he's got his goggles on his head, so he can't see anything and he can't stop piloting, flying through super narrow places. How are we gonna get him from one building to the other?
We used a technique that's been used by thousands of other filmmakers on a budget, and that's that we used a wheelchair to move the camera, except you're also moving the camera operator while flying a drone. So it was kind of tough, the drone was moving, the drone was turning, I was moving, I was turning.
When I was pushing him around in the wheelchair, I sort of knew where he was, and if we were in a hard place, I would just stop.
I actually fly over my own head as we go from one building to the next.
We're hoping to inspire all that watch our one-shot video to come visit the North Carolina Museum of Natural Sciences in Raleigh and to be inspired by the research and science and to become closer to the natural world here.